Remember Doraemon, the blue robotic cat from the future who captured our hearts with his gadgets and adventures? We laughed with Nobita's antics and wished for our own anywhere door. But what if there's more to Doraemon than meets the eye? What lies beneath the surface of this beloved children's show? Let's delve deeper into the world of Doraemon and uncover its hidden depths. Doraemon isn't just a whimsical story about a cat and his friend. It's a carefully crafted narrative that explores complex themes like societal dependency, human flaws, and the consequences of our choices. The show might seem lighthearted with Nobita's silly antics and Doraemon's futuristic gadgets, but it subtly raises questions about our relationship with technology and the ethical implications of quick fixes and shortcuts. Doraemon's gadgets often provide immediate solutions to Nobita's problems, but they also highlight the importance of personal growth and responsibility. The show encourages viewers to think critically about the consequences of relying too heavily on technology. It also delves into the emotional and psychological aspects of the characters, making them relatable and multidimensional. Through their daily lives and adventures, we see reflections of our own struggles and triumphs. Doraemon's world is a mirror to our own, filled with lessons on friendship, perseverance, and the value of hard work. It teaches us that while technology can aid us, it is our human qualities that truly define us. So next time you watch Doraemon, remember, there's more than meets the eye. It's a show that entertains while subtly educating us about life's deeper meanings. And that is the true magic of Doraemon. Doraemon's origin story is far from rosy. Born in a futuristic factory, his life began with a series of unfortunate events. It's a tale of factory mishaps and a future riddled with problems. The factory where Doraemon was created was plagued by errors and malfunctions, leading to his initial defective state. He wasn't always the cheerful, helpful cat we know. In fact, his journey to becoming the beloved character was filled with challenges. He started as a defective robot plagued by misfortune. Initially, Doraemon was yellow and had a pair of ears, but his early days were marked by sadness and a sense of inadequacy. His iconic blue paint was a mistake. A mishap in the factory led to his blue color, which has since become his trademark look. He lost his ears in a tragic accident involving robotic mice. This incident left him with a deep sense of loss and vulnerability. This tragic backstory adds a layer of depth to Doraemon's character. It explains his empathetic nature and his drive to help others. His creation was driven by a desire to help Nobita, a struggling student in the present. Doraemon's mission is to guide Nobita and help him navigate the challenges of life. But this seemingly noble goal also hints at a future heavily reliant on technology. The world Doraemon comes from is one where technology is deeply integrated into everyday life, a future where robots are created to solve even the simplest of human problems. This raises questions about the role of technology in our lives and its impact on human relationships. This dependence on technology forms a central theme throughout the series. It serves as a reminder of the potential and pitfalls of a tech-driven future. Doraemon isn't just a children's show, it's a mirror reflecting our society's flaws. Nobita, with his laziness and constant reliance on Doraemon's gadgets, embodies these flaws. He represents the dangers of overdependence on technology. He showcases how quick fixes can hinder personal growth. The show subtly criticizes consumerism. It does this through its depiction of futuristic gadgets that offer instant gratification. But these gadgets often lead to more problems. This highlights the pitfalls of a society obsessed with instant gratification and material possessions. Ah, the gadgets, the most alluring aspect of Doraemon. Who wouldn't want a time machine or a bamboo copter? But these fantastic inventions aren't without their dark side. Each gadget presents ethical dilemmas. They force us to question the responsibility that comes with such advanced technology. The Anywhere door tempts us with instant travel, but it also raises questions about the potential disruption of space and time. The Memory Bread offers a shortcut to learning, but it undermines the value of true understanding and hard work. Doraemon's gadgets, while fantastical, serve as cautionary tales. They remind us that every action, especially those involving powerful technology, has consequences. The ending of Doraemon has been a subject of much debate. Several versions exist, each with its own interpretations. One popular theory suggests that Doraemon doesn't actually exist. He's just a figment of Nobita's imagination. This theory suggests that Nobita's adventures are a coping mechanism for his difficult reality. Another theory proposes that Doraemon, bound by his programming, eventually had to return to the future. This leaves Nobita to face the consequences of his actions without his robotic crutch. The ambiguity surrounding the ending allows for multiple interpretations. It encourages viewers to contemplate the deeper implications of the story. Section 6. Nobita's reality check, the price of dependence. What if Doraemon left? What would happen to Nobita? This question looms large over the series. It forces us to confront the consequences of Nobita's dependence on Doraemon. Without his gadgets, would Nobita be able to stand on his own 2 feet? The show hints at the potential for growth. In several episodes, Nobita displays courage and resourcefulness when pushed to his limits. These glimpses suggest that Nobita, while flawed, isn't beyond redemption. He has the potential to learn from his mistakes. He can become a better version of himself, but only if he breaks free from his reliance on Doraemon's quick fixes. Section 7. Beyond the Blue Cat Lessons in Human Nature. Doraemon's impact extends beyond the screen. It teaches valuable life lessons about friendship, perseverance, and the importance of facing our problems head-on. Despite his flaws, Nobita's journey resonates with viewers. We see ourselves in his struggles and triumphs. The show encourages empathy by showcasing the struggles of its characters. Jian's bullying stems from his insecurities. Tsuneyo's boastfulness masks his desire for acceptance. By understanding the motivations behind their actions, we learn to see the world from different perspectives. Section 8. Doraemon's Legacy, a timeless commentary. Doraemon isn't just a cartoon, it's a social commentary disguised as a children's show. It tackles complex themes with a lighthearted touch. It encourages us to think critically about our relationship with technology, societal values, and the consequences of our choices. The enduring popularity of Doraemon speaks to its timeless appeal. The show continues to resonate with audiences across generations. It sparks conversations about important issues. It reminds us that even in a world of gadgets and futuristic technology, the most valuable things in life are friendship, kindness, and the courage to face our challenges head-on. Section 9. A New Perspective Rediscovering Doraemon. Next time you watch Doraemon, look beyond the gadgets and the laughter. While the futuristic tools and comedic moments are entertaining, there's a deeper layer to explore. Pay attention to the subtle messages woven into the narrative. These stories often reflect real-life issues and moral lessons that resonate with both children and adults. Consider the ethical dilemmas presented by the gadgets. Each invention, while seemingly magical, brings with it questions about responsibility, consequences, and the human condition. Reflect on the characters' flaws and growth. Nobita's struggles and Doraemon's guidance offer a mirror to our own lives, showing us the importance of perseverance and learning from our mistakes. You might be surprised by the depth and complexity you discover in this seemingly simple story about a robotic cat and his human friend. Their adventures are filled with moments that challenge our perceptions and encourage us to think deeper. Doraemon is more than just a childhood memory. It's a series that has touched the hearts of many, and continues to do so across generations. It's a timeless classic that continues to challenge and inspire us. The themes of friendship, courage, and innovation are as relevant today as they were when the series first began. It reminds us that even in the face of adversity, hope, friendship, and the power of imagination can help us overcome any obstacle. So, let's rediscover Doraemon. Let's see it with fresh eyes and an open heart. Let's delve into its hidden depths. There are countless layers of meaning waiting to be uncovered, each offering a new perspective on life and relationships. Let's appreciate the profound messages embedded within its seemingly simple stories. Through Doraemon, we can learn valuable lessons that stay with us long after the episode ends.